22. If anybody is born on the 22nd of any month.
Yeah, so Gitu, we have Gitu. Can we unmute Gitu? She's 22/8/1975. Gitu, can you unmute yourself now?
Hi.
Hi, Gitu. Geeta Hukmani.
Yeah, that's right.
So you're born on the 22nd of August, 1975.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Geet, is it okay I talk?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So first of all, let me tell you the positives. You have a very positive Mercury. That means you can achieve a lot of things in life through your intelligence and through your, studying. I don't know whether you have studied a lot or not, but as a person, God has blessed you with this very strong Mercury, which is the planet of intelligence, and it's positive. Okay.
Okay.
So you could be a very logical or a very questioning kind of a person trying to find answers. Now the problem in your chart becomes when you're born on 1975, 22/4, especially also 22/4. So now these combinations of 22/4 is repeated twice, which comes to Rahu. It's a dangerous combination. So it can create a lot of hurdles, struggles in your life, especially in your relationships. You will be finding that people could be coming to you and could be betraying you in certain ways. Sometimes the betrayal is huge, sometimes betrayals are less, but it will create struggles, especially after age 30. What has been the change in your life?
Yeah, health issues, relationships have been affected. Yeah.
So specifically after the age of 30, Geeta?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Now this combination I could just read from a numbers. I don't have anything else, just the numbers. And the main problem with her, which nobody will be able to tell till in the numerology, is her Rahu, her Uranus, which is the problem. She's very, very sensitive person. Am I correct, Geeta?
Yeah, that's right.
Very sensitive. If anybody tells her anything, she will feel very hurt. So that combination is creating a negative impact on her because of the stars, and is creating the health issues and relationship issues. Means she can easily find out that people close to her could just one fine day just say, we don't want to be with you. I don't know whether it has happened, but it could be also with the in-laws, it could also be with the parents. Means misunderstandings. Has it happened with you, Geeta? Relationship, you said relationship issues. I don't want to get more into it as a relationship aspect right now since we are in a master class, but it can be a very strong betrayal because the numbers are pretty strong here. And the main thing that you need to do out here, right now you're also going through your Saturn pinnacle. So you need to really, what you need to do out here is, you first need to wear an 8-mukhi Rudraksh for your Rahu. Your Rahu is pretty bad. A Gauri Shankar Rudraksh, which is available. And not to whom to connect, you have to connect to me only. Because I will be giving it to you. Okay. No, because rather than buying it from Amazon and all that, buy it from somebody, because there are a lot of times they just fake. They break the Rudraksh, they put a aryl dye. Yes, we have gone through that, all that. So we keep the proper Rudrakshas with us. And this is the first thing. And you will have to take a 7-mukhi Rudraksh. 7, 8 and Gauri Shankar right now for her. To take care of her relationship issues and her. So do you cry very often, Geeta? Because your numbers are not at all. Okay. As a child, then how do you cope with because Chandrama to ye hai, so thought process increases a lot. What happens?
Yeah, probably too much of thinking.
Yeah, so either the person will cry or the thought process will increase so much that the person doesn't know what to do. Am I correct? So this Rahu effect is very dangerous, which needs to be taken care of. Her main problem in her life is a Rahu. giving her negative people in her life. Even her thought process can get negative. Do you have a tendency to overthink, and even it can go to, this has to be like this also? Little bit of traits on the, oh, I shouldn't be it's very often to take, but it can go to an OCD type also,
Yeah,
right?
I have that kind of thing, wanting things to be organized, particular, disciplined.
So you just wear this, you'll find your traits becoming less bitter.
Okay. So these have to be worn, not put
You
in
can
water.
see if you wear it, very good. But there are certain things you have to take care of. Okay. Some people say it's okay, but for me, when I wear a Rudraksh Kamala, there are certain things that you can't wear it in your menstrual cycle. It's a no strictly. And you can't go to the washroom wearing that Rudraksha. So every time to remove becomes a hassle. So I have decided let people just drink that water.
Okay.
But even if you carry this thing in your purse, still it will help you. So you can have 2 sets of Rudraksha. One you can carry with you in your purse, and one you can keep it for the water drinking.
Okay. So that
if
water
it touches
can
your skin very nicely. So there are many a times when I have to go, I just remove it, then I come and wear it. This is what I do.
So the water can be consumed at any time during the day?
Do it in the night. In the night, you have to put it. In the morning, you have to first drink that water.
Okay.
So Doc, the same process for Geeta as well, that she pours it out into another glass, strains the water and drinks that.
Yeah. So suppose, and then she has to dry the Rudraksh. Whole day she has to dry the Rudraksh. Okay. She cannot keep it in the water the whole day.
Okay.
She has to dry the Rudrakshas. So after that, she will go ahead and the next night she will again put it. So every day you get the power of that Rudrakshas.
And for how many days do you have to do this?
Live. But just don't do it during your menstrual cycle.
Okay. All right. Okay. And so you keep the Rudraksh out of the water through the entire period.
Yeah. So suppose if I drink it now, then I can just put it in a small bowl, keep it in your altar, keep it in your temple, keep it in the sunlight, anywhere you can keep it.
Okay. Awesome.
I remember I had a client, this person was going through heart issues. He was a Britisher. So I said, will you do what I say? And he said, he didn't have a choice at that time. He said yes. And I sent him from India some Rudrakshas and I said, you'd use this. And he's feeling much better. So this I did it about 4 months back. But even when I see when there is a problem, even the West people are ready to use the remedies. It's just like a simple remedy.
It is. It's not very complicated, and you've simplified it further, Doc, by saying that you don't have to wear it. A lot of people I know, yes, don't want to look like babas or or sages, and they
I myself don't wear it. I myself don't wear it. I myself just use the water every day. I really do about 8 to 10 Rudrakshas.
Wow. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Geeta.
Thank you so much. I didn't tell you much more I could have said, but I just told you this much only.
Yeah, but all the Rudraksh have to be put together in case I have to wear 3 of them. So I'll put all 3 in the water together.
Just put in the water.
All of them together.
Yeah.
All right.
So you will start seeing your main, your thought processes going down, which are giving you a problem, basically, because of which you are not able to, function well. Otherwise, it will go to a very obsessive way. Now, this combination is only there for 22nd of 4. This is nothing to do with the month, but 22nd of 1975. 22nd of 1976 will not have. She will have different combinations.
Okay. All right. Okay. And that's what you teach in your workshop as well.
Yeah.
Okay. Because there was someone I noticed, she had Sushma said, will it be the same for me? She's 22nd of May 1965, so it would be very different.
No, she doesn't have these obsessions. She doesn't have these dangerous numbers. She has problems, but it is quite minimized.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Geeta, don't get alarmed though.
No, we are giving you the remedy though, Geeta.
You have a remedy
Yeah.
now to deal with it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you so much.